Black Queens, how y'all doing? Boy, y'all look so lovely. I want to tell y'all how lovely y'all look.
Hey, trips that you plan for the next whole week. It's too long for a nigga so cheap. Being flex OD and sex OD. You got it, girl, you got it. Hey, you got it, girl, you got it. Yeah, pretty little thing, you got a bag and now you wildin'. You just took it off the line, no mileage. Waiting, hitting you the DM looking violent. Talking while you come around and now they styling. Blue to keep 17, no bodies. You be staying low, but you know what the price is. They ain't never got you know it being modest. Poppin' ship it only cause you know you poppin'. Yeah, you got it.
Hey guys, happy Sunday. Welcome back to another vlog. So I just showed you guys I'm getting ready. We're about to go out a little Sunday fun day, which I have not done in forever. But yeah, I just got ready really quickly. As you saw, I just took some flexi rods out of my U-part unit. And then I kind of curled the top of my hair a little bit. My hair looks okay. I mean, it's definitely looked better, but it's all right. It's fine. It doesn't have to look the best. I still think it's cute. I mean, nothing wrong with it. It's just not how I've done it in the past, but still, I mean, it looks fine. But anyways, earlier today, I went to Zara at the Galleria and I picked up a couple of things. I've been seeing people get a lot of cute stuff from Zara, so I decided to go in store and just look around. And honestly, I was a little disappointed. I mean, they had a couple of items, but nothing really caught my attention. I really want to get like some nice cute tops and blouses, stuff like that. But I just ended up getting some outerwear, which I really don't need, but they were cute. And I already put everything on hangers and it was actually hanging up in the closet. So yeah, but I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys anyways. So the first piece I got is just this basic gray hoodie. But honestly, the material is pretty nice. And it's really thick, and I don't know, I just thought it was a cute basic gray oversized hoodie. I actually don't have a gray hoodie, so yeah, I got this in a size medium, and it was $39.90. A little bit more than I would usually spend for a hoodie, but I don't know, I like the quality, so I decided to get it. And then next up, I got like this plaid checkered blue, what would you call this? What is this even called? I don't know. It's like I don't know, it's just like a really nice outer piece. I'm not really sure what to call it because the material is different. It's literally just kind of this one piece of material. It's kind of thick, but it's still lightweight at the same time. I'll try this one on for you guys. Okay, so now that I'm focused, this is what it looks like on. Just nice, and it's pretty long. I guess I'll stand on the bed so you can see. Yeah, it's pretty long, so you can see. But yeah, I got this because I just thought it was like a nice piece to just throw on. I mean, it can be casual, you can dress it up, a lot of kind of things that you can do with it. And I really do like the material, and it's not too heavy, but it's still not too light. And this I got again in a size medium, and it was $119. So yeah, a little expensive, but I don't know, I really do like this piece. And I was like, if I don't get it, I'm probably going to wish I got it. So I just decided to pick it up. So yeah, those are the two pieces that I got from Zara today. And I also went to Sephora and I just picked up a Fenty Gloss Bomb. Oh my gosh, I'm like out of breath. But yeah, that's pretty much all I got at the mall today. I think I may go back next week. Hopefully not on a Sunday though. I don't know why I decided to go on a Sunday. But yeah, those are the two items I picked up. I'm pretty much done getting ready. I don't really know what I'm going to wear because I've never been where we're going, but I feel like it's pretty chill, so I don't know. I'll figure it out. But yeah, I'll check back in with you guys later.
Poppin' ship it only cause you know you poppin'. Yeah, you got it, girl, you got it. Hey. You got it, girl, you got it. Little baby in a bag in a Birkin. No, not a vibe, put the work in. Lost and all I love them all, to me you're perfect. Fuck around, get you my last got it, girl, you got it.
You're the only one I'm trying to make love to. Picking and choosing. I ain't really love you. Running game, using. All your stupid exes, they gon' fall again. Tell them that a real nigga stepping in. Don't let them niggas try you. Test your patience. Tell them that it's over, ain't no debate. All you need is me playing on your...
This guy said he wanted to take off my makeup. I hear the microwave going. He warmed up my makeup remover wipes.
Alright, bro.
Because why, Kobe? You say you're not supposed to put it on my face cold?
Whatever.
Okay, you can take it off. Oh, why are you doing it like that?
How am I supposed to be doing that?
Why you...
I'm doing a good job.
Mm-hmm. You're doing, like, you don't have to ball the whole thing up because now you're going to need to use multiple. Like, yeah, just leave it flat like this.
Okay.
And then just rub it off.
But the warm feature was...
I thought you were warming up food. I have never seen someone put a makeup remover wipe.
I quit. This too much.
A makeup remover wipe in the microwave. So you just rub like this.
But the warm feature was nice, right?
It's not even warm.
But when it was warm, you liked it.
It wasn't warm.
At all?
No.
You want to try it?
No. Oh, I look crazy. Oh, I look really crazy. Hey everyone, happy Tuesday. I have to think about what today was. But yeah, happy Tuesday. I honestly haven't done much today. I was just working pretty much all day. And then I just decided to run to Heyyy. I'm going to make some dinner. Just something super quick and easy. I'm just making spaghetti, nothing special at all. I'm actually really, really hungry. I hate going to the grocery store when I'm hungry, but I actually did pretty good today because I didn't really pick up any snacks, but I did pick up, I don't know if you guys have seen these before at the grocery store, but they're like little pretzel balls and you can put, I don't know why I said it like that, but they're like little pretzel balls and you can just put salt on it. I don't really like a whole lot of salt, but they're nice to like snack on. So I'm gonna snack on those while I start making spaghetti. And yeah, just a really chill Tuesday. So yeah, let's get started. So I just finished cooking and I feel like that's pretty much it for tonight. I mean, it's just Tuesday, not a whole lot is going on. So yeah, today was pretty chill. Again, like I worked, got some groceries, made some dinner. Now we're about to eat dinner and just chill and watch TV. I think we're gonna start the show. What's it called? Dang, what's the show called? I forgot, but some show we're going to start. So yeah, eat dinner, watch a show, and that's pretty much it for this Tuesday night. So if I do anything else for the rest of the week, I will catch up with you guys then. Back at Lost and Found again. Are you cold?
I'm lowering it.
Oh, it was too
Hurting
hot.
my forehead.
Yeah, but I'm back at Lost and Found again, and I'm with Lydia
This man
and Amy.
You keep trying.
I don't know what I want.
When Timmy posted the fried chicken, it looked good.
I don't think I want fried chicken.
Yeah, I don't want chicken.
I want to try. She said pink hypnotic was good.
Oh yeah, that is good.
That's a happy hour drink. It's $5.
Yep, that's the shit I used to always get. Decided on any drinks?
I want to get the pink hypnotic.
The Sharma Hypnotic?
Yeah, that one.
What's in that one? It's gonna be Hypnotic and vodka, and then the Jingle Jangle, the other one that I recommend, is gonna have Jack Apple.
Black Queens, how y'all doing? Boy, y'all look so lovely. I want to tell y'all how lovely y'all do. Y'all shine like diamonds, rubies, and pearls. And I really like y'all well.
Thank you.
I'm going to tell you what I like about you.
It's really good.
Now, this girl here is so pretty though. She look like she could be on the front page cover of every magazine. Yeah. It sounds good, eh?
I don't have any cash.
Yeah, I don't either.
Okay.
Sorry, I'd give them $2, but I don't have it.
I was like, actually, scoot your camera over.
Oh, I was ready to go like this.
I was like, is this a plot? Like, is he plotting to grab this hoe?
This is pretty good. It kind of reminds me of like, I don't know, like Starburst or something.
So what is this? A margarita or like?
I got the lamb chops. These honestly smell really good. What is that, chicken?
Yeah.
Chicken loaded fries. And Amy got a burger, fries.
Look, I just flipped the switch. I don't know nobody else is doing this. Body start to drop, ayy. Hit the now they wanna know me since I hit the top, ayy. This a rolling, not a stop. Watch shit don't never stop. This the flow that got the block hot. Shit got super hot.
Hey, Ryan. So we got some free cookies, and these look disgusting. Bacon? I don't know what the hell that's supposed to be. Oh, voodoo donuts though. That looks disgusting. They're over here watching Bernie Mac.
I just flipped the switch. I don't know nobody else is doing this. Body start to drop, ayy. Hit the now they wanna know me since I hit the top, ayy. This a rolling, not a stop. Watch shit don't never stop. This the flow that got the block hot. Shit got super hot, ayy. Give me my respect. I just took it left like on ambidex. Bitch, I moved through London with the Euro steps. Got a sneaker deal and I ain't break a sweat.